Hi, this is a quick video about my Speedaire gas-powered air compressor. It's a two-stage Kawasaki powered. It has an engine controller here. I want to explain how this works because I had a terrible time finding the information online and solving the problem that I was having when I bought this. Essentially, at high pressure, you want to flip this valve up in order to start the motor if it stalls out for some reason, or if your tank is already pressurized and you want to get the motor going. You're going to flip this up, turn the motor to the on position, choke it a little bit, and crank it. And this is your run position. This will allow the motor to throttle up and pressurize the tank until it reaches a certain pressure, controlled by this, which at different settings you can turn this higher, outward, or inward to adjust your pressure relief setting to idle the motor. Now I want to show this in action because I don't think there are a lot out there that still work. I'm going to turn this up because I already have pressure in the tank. Engine's in the run position, choke, a little more choke. Now I'm going to flip this down to the run position. Let me also show you this side of the compressor is your intake. There's a small filter in here. Well, it's really just like a piece of foam. I'm going to take that out later today and replace it because I haven't done that yet. I believe Warn makes this. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't remember. They make it for, they make Speedaire for Northern Tool, I think. Anyways, yeah, I did have a very difficult time finding information on this online, so I wanted to post this video. If you have any questions how this whole pneumatic system works, give me a call. Let me show you this too. Yep, that's a cool system. This doesn't do anything. It's just a probe into the compressor feed line. It essentially lets the motor idle without too much resistance. Thanks for watching, guys.